There are 5 amazing facial mists that I want to recommend today, as these perform so well depending on the skin concerns that you have. Now, these are great for all skin types. I want to make sure that I put that out there right now, but if you are looking for something for signs of aging, something to calm down redness, maybe something for hydration, for repairing, I have all of those options in this video. And these truly are the best 5 that I have used to date. Now, facial mists, in my opinion, are really underrated. A lot of people like to use toners or essences, and there's nothing wrong with those. I also really like them, but I just feel like facial mists can also be very beneficial. They're very lightweight, they're quick and easy to use, but they also prep your skin for your serums and all of your other skincare products, as they allow your products to absorb better, penetrate nicer into the skin. So I am a big fan of facial mists, and I've been using these for quite a while, so I really do like them and I can't recommend them enough. So of course, everything will be linked below for you for your reference, so let's get right into that first product. So the first one that I'm going to be talking about is the Bioma Balancing Face Mist. Now, this is what I like to use when my skin barrier is compromised and I need something to calm and soothe my skin. So this has a triceramide complex, and we all know that ceramides help to strengthen and repair the skin barrier, but they also do a very good job to prevent transepidermal water loss. So it really helps to keep that moisture in the skin. But the probiotic and the allantoin in here will help to replenish your skin's microbiome, but it also helps to calm and soothe your skin at the same time. So you can use this every day, twice a day. Let's say you're somebody that has dry, sensitive skin, your skin tends to be irritated a lot, this will be great. This is great just to use when you need it, but also it's lovely to use every day, even for preventative, especially if you're using a lot of active ingredients in your skincare routine, like tretinoin, retinol, let's say glycolic acid, anything like that. This will be great to use even with those products. Now, this mist so nicely. All you need is a couple of sprays on your face and your neck and you are completely saturated. So you don't need to use a lot of product here, and it doesn't come out in globs. It truly has that beautiful mist, and I really like that. The very first time that I tried this, I did share a first impressions on it. At first, I wasn't sure because of the scent of it. There is a little bit of a scent. I feel like now that I've been using it, that scent is no longer there. So I don't know what that was initially when I first tried this, but back in the winter, when I shared my first impressions video on the Bioma brand, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it below for you. I did say that my skin felt a lot more hydrated and it didn't feel tight anymore, that my skin felt great, and it does. This really helps to provide a lot of moisture, but I'm telling you, when your skin barrier is compromised, you will see the biggest difference when you're using a product like this. You will see that it will help to calm, and I really hope that you like this, because I'm telling you, this is truly one of the best, especially from the drugstore. The next one is by SkinCeuticals, and this is the Phyto Corrective Essence Mist. So I like to use this one when my skin is quite rosy. Let's say I'm using an active ingredient that is causing more redness. Maybe my skin is flushed. This does a very good job to tone down on that rosiness. So this has cucumber, thyme, rosemary extract. It also has glycerin, hyaluronic acid. So it's a very hydrating and plumping facial mist as well, but it does a very good job to calm and soothe the skin also. And you can use this every day, twice a day, but I mainly use it when my skin is at its rosiest. Now, this also comes out really nicely. It mists very finely, and I do feel like you need to use more pumps with this one compared to the Bioma, because this one is even more fine. There are no water globs whatsoever, but it's beautiful, and it does have a slight scent to it as well, which I feel like just smells very botanical. It smells like a spa. It's very subtle, but there's something very calming about this one as well. So this one is a nice option, especially if you have redness. The next one is by Neod, and this is the Superoxide Dismutase Saccharide Mist. Now, this is the one that I am the most consistent with. I use this pretty much every day, twice a day, and I mainly use this for anti-aging purposes, as this is full of several different types of antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from the environment. It also helps to brighten up the complexion. It addresses signs of aging, but also there are so many wonderful additional ingredients in here that you really don't see anywhere else. So I feel like this truly is one of a kind. I haven't found anything that is similar to this as of yet. And this one will also address redness as well. So this one also helps to calm down redness. But like I said, this one is amazing for signs of aging. And I really like to use this before vitamin C serums, before my tretinoin, before copper peptides. I use this with everything and anything, and it just works. And this comes out in a nice mist as well. And I do feel like you might only need 2 or 3 pumps of this because it does saturate your face quite a bit, which is nice. I do like that. And this is the one facial mist that I do like to work into my skin, pat it all in, and then of course leave my skin damp, then go in with my other skincare products afterwards, and everything just penetrates so nicely. So this ingredient list is more advanced. So if you're looking for something like that, ingredients that you typically won't find anywhere else, try this. I'm telling you, this works so well. I've been using this for several years now, and you guys know how much I love this. So I did feature this in my morning and nighttime skincare routine videos that I uploaded back in December. Not a lot has changed since then, so if you want to see what I'm using in both my morning and nighttime routines, I will leave those videos below for you. The next one is by Timeless, and this is the Matrixyl 3000 Cucumber Spray. Now, if you're not into cucumber, there are other scents as well, like lavender, orange, and rose. But the cucumber is by far my favorite because it's very refreshing to use. You do smell that cucumber, and it's not a synthetic scent. It smells like real cucumber. So I love that, especially for the summer months. So if I want to take a break from the Neod facial mist, I will incorporate this one because Matrixyl is a peptide, which is great for signs of aging, great for preventative, but also we have hyaluronic acid in here, we have aloe, and it really does a good job to hydrate the skin. This is also a great product to use even throughout the day as that refresher. This does a very good job, and I put this on top of my makeup. I will use this with my skincare products. You can use this anywhere and everywhere, and you can put this on your body as well. And it's fabulous, and I feel like this is underrated. I don't hear a lot of people talking about the Timeless facial mist, and I feel like you're losing out if you haven't tried this. This really is lovely. And I do have a 20% off discount code that you guys can use on any Timeless skincare products. So this, their vitamin C serum, whatever you want, and you can use my code Sincerely Miss Ash for 20% off. And the last product is by Caudalie, and this is the Grape Water. Now, you can use this any time of the year. All skin types can use this, including sensitive skin, but I really love using this during the summer months when I'm outside more, I'm wearing a ton of sunscreen. Let's say my skin is tight, then I love spraying this all over my face, all over my body to freshen up my skin and to add additional hydration. So you know how some sunscreen formulations can be more on that mattifying side, and as we keep reapplying our sunscreen, our skin can feel really tight, and then our skin looks crepey. So if you spray this on top of your skin, I'm telling you, this brings your skin back to life, and your skin's not tight anymore, and it gives your skin this nice hydrated look and feel. It's wonderful. So you can put this on top of your body, like I said. You can use this in your skincare routine before all of your serums, and you can also spray this on top of your makeup to give your skin that nice youthful glow, hydrated look. And it performs so well, which is why this is one of my top 5, because this truly does it all. So this is a very calming, refreshing mist, and I keep a travel size in my bag, so when I'm running errands, if I feel like I need to freshen up, then I have that little guy in my bag, but I do like to keep the big one for at home, and it's wonderful. And if you're someone that likes using hyaluronic acids or marine hyaluronics, polyglutamic acid, anything that is plumping, this is wonderful to use before those serums, because those types of serums work the best when you put them on damp skin, as they will absorb better into the skin, they will plump up the skin, add additional hydration. This is a wonderful spray to apply first before those serums. Try it, come back and let me know how it worked, because I'm telling you, anytime I want my skin to be super plumped, I will use this before those serums. So So those are the top 5 best performing facial mists that I have used so far. And remember, all of these are great for all skin types, but if you are looking for something specific, hopefully I introduced you to something new today. Of course, everything will be linked below for you for your reference. I would love to hear from you. What are your favorite facial mists? Is there something that you feel I would like? Let me know, because I love to try new things. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all then. Bye guys.